Well, I was going to come out here and sit down for a little while, but it snowed last night. Look at that. Everything is full. Look, all my geodes are covered up. And that, look, there's the barbecue. And there's my trail camera on the bird feeder. I don't know if I've gotten any birds. I'm gonna have to take a look at that. I set up my trail camera and I poured some bird seed in there to see what would happen. And that one there, that was full, packed full of birds last night, bluebirds. The tails were hanging out. And they are gone now. They're gone this morning. That bird feeder's getting a little bit of action there. We'll see. I'll leave it run a little bit today. And maybe I'll get a video off of that. The trail camera's kind of full of snow, but that's okay. I think it's all right for it. So, anyway, I guess I won't sit here and enjoy the beautiful, beautiful morning. Check it out. Beautiful. I'll probably go clean the snow off my car. Okay. This is this is Petrol 62 reported. March 1st snow. Channel 62.
Channel 62.